Hello, I'm Sandy from Things with Engines, and today I'm going to show you how to check the oil level in your car. First thing you need to do is to find the bonnet latch. It will be somewhere under the dashboard on either the driver or the passenger side. Unless you have a Ford Transit, in which case you have to use the key and put it into the logo. In this case, there's a small symbol showing you that it opens the bonnet, and the handle is right there. Now you've got to find the secondary lever for the bonnet, which will be somewhere under the lining. Unless you own an original Mini, in which case the handle to open the bonnet is already under the bonnet. On most cars you have to go fumbling your way around, trying to find it looking underneath, until eventually you'll spot something. And then you'll find some sort of thing that sticks up, push it over, and there you go. Now this bonnet's self-supportive with these hydraulic arms here, so you won't need to fumble around for a stick to prop it up with. But what if your car does have a strut to hold the bonnet up? Well, you could either use yourself while you check it, but then you'd need 3 hands. So I suggest you use the strut instead, and it'll either be on the body of the car, or in this case it's up here. First you've got to figure out a way to pull it out, then find the hole for it, put it down, there we go. Now we're faced with the glorious Subaru Boxer diesel engine, a 2-litre flat 4 pumping out 144 horsepower, or 147 if you own an Outback. And in terms of finding the oil dipstick, you have to look for something with the oil symbol, such as this or this. So now we've found where the dipstick is, we'll need a rag or a piece of your shirt or jumper or something not too dissimilar to this one, in which case you'll have to pull out the dipstick like so, run the rag or piece of your shirt or jumper or your hair all the way along it, and then put it straight back in and let it sit for a minute, then pull it out, and that is your oil reading. And I actually can't make sense of that. It seems to be over the top marker, which is not the best thing in the world. If you're too stupid or lazy to do that, you may think about opening up the oil filler cap, which I can't do because I'm not strong enough. Now what if you're really short, like Richard Hammond, but you drive a massive car to boost your ego? You can't exactly reach the dipstick from here, not even from the side. It's still a bit hard to get at, although you will get it eventually. So instead you get the chair from your computer desk or your office or your bedroom or wherever, maybe even your bathroom if you're into that sort of thing, and then you can reach over and grab the dipstick. Like so. Then you find your napkin, wipe it all the way down, and then somehow try reach across with your puny short arms till you get it back in, like that. Then wonder why it won't go back in. Then reach over, take it out again. And the reading on this one is almost full, so that's good. However, if you're not as determined as Richard Hammond is, you could trudge around the side till you get to the dipstick, tug it out, and see where the engine is, and just stick it underneath, right? Just there, find the sump. There it is. Hold it there to get your reading. Pull it out. Ah, the full reading. Very good. Then you struggle back over and try to put it back in. And Robert is your father's brother.
So there you go, that's how you check the oil level in your car. Or is it?